Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so close to Christmas now. Do you know what to wear on this holiday season? Today video, I'm going to share with you how I make a sequin jumpsuit for Christmas party. Here is the fabric I choose. It's banded with the twinkle as one side. First step, I'm making the pants for the jumpsuit. The length of the pants is the length from the belly to over buttock, or longer if you want. Now, I'm connecting two pieces of the front and two pieces of the back pants together at the cross curve. I use the pins to hold them before sewing. I go down 24 cm with either length from the shoulder to armpit, blood 12 cm, then drawing an arc line to connect to the straight line. Drawing two rectangles with 45 cm length, with either length from the shoulder to the wrist, and 44 cm width, with either double time of the width from the shoulder to armpit, blood 10 cm. Then I connect the hands to the top at the hand areas. After that, I connect the front and the back of the top together at two sides. you the inspiration to make your party dress. Like and share if you like it, and subscribe to my channel to check my other video. Let's party!